Hi and welcome to Show's classes. You can WhatsApp us or call us at the number given on the screen for any doubts, queries, or for full videos on our courses. Let us see what our topic is. Today's topic is political economy of trade. A small country can import a good at world price of 10 per unit. The domestic supply curve of the good is given as follows, which is S equals 20 plus 10p, and the demand curve is D equals to 400 minus 5p. In addition, each unit of production yields a marginal social benefit of 10. We will refer to this as MSB, which is equals to 10. Now in our first question or sub-question, we need to calculate the total effect of welfare of a tariff of 5 per unit of levy on imports. Now without trade, demand is equals to supply, that is 400 minus 5p equals to 20 plus 10p, and upon equating this, the country produces 100 units and consumes 300 units, thus importing 200 units. That is, this can be calculated by 400 minus 5 into 10 is the world relative price, plus there is a marginal social benefit which will always add, and thus 400 minus 100, which gives us 300, that the country or the small economy consumes 300 units. Now the country produces similarly 20 plus, that is the supply is only 100 units, and thus 200 units needs to be imported. Now if a tariff of 5 per unit is employed, it leads to the production of S equals to 20 plus 10, that is 20 plus 10 into 10 plus 5, which equals to 125 units. And the consumption is equals to 400 minus 5 into 10 plus 10 minus 5 into 10, which gives us consumption of 250 units. The increase in welfare is due to the increase in higher production of 25 into 10 minus the losses to the consumer and producer surplus, which is 25 into 5 whole divided by 2 and 50 into 5 whole divided by 2 respectively, leading to a net gain of 62.5. Now the increase in welfare is equals to benefits from greater production minus the production distortion costs. Now production subsidy of 5 gives the new supply curve of 50 plus 5 into p plus 5, and the consumption equals to stays at 300. However, the production increases to 125. Thus from this equation that we have derived, we can calculate this as 25 into 10 minus 25 into 5 whole divided by 2, and upon calculation it comes to 187.5. Well, that was the end to that question. Please like, subscribe and click on the notification icon. You can WhatsApp us or call us at the number given on the screen for any doubts, queries, or for full videos on our courses.